Hi everyone, it's Karla from the Medicine Hat Public Library here. We're super bummed that we can't hold our Eggstreme Tween Easter Night this year, so I thought I'd come on here and show you the crafts we were planning on doing. Hopefully you have the supplies at home to do these. The first craft that we're going to do is a pastel picture. I made mine of a bunny, but you can make yours whatever shape you want. And then the second craft uses toilet paper rolls, which I think we all have a lot of at home right now. And we are gonna make a stamp to make these little bunnies. All right, so for our first craft, we're gonna make this pastel bunny picture. And all you need for this is some pastels. Chalk would also work for this. And then you also need a template of some sort. I just chose a bunny face. I went onto Google and just typed in bunny stencil and found one that I liked. You can make this with any shape you want. And then you just need a piece of paper. If you're using lighter pastels, a dark piece of paper would work better. And then all you do is place your stencil on the paper. And then you take your pastels, and you can choose if you want to do it in a pattern or not. And you will have to color around the bunny in little sections like this. Just like that. And then you'll switch your color and just keep repeating this process until you make your way all around your stencil. After you have all your colors around your stencil, make sure you leave your stencil in place and then grab a Kleenex or paper towel. You could even probably use a Q-tip for this. And you just want to smudge your pastels in a back and forth motion all the way around your bunny. And then when you peel off your stencil, you have a cool little picture. For the second craft, we're going to use some toilet paper rolls and create a stamp in the shape of a bunny. For this craft, you're obviously going to need some toilet paper rolls. You'll need 3 of them. You'll need some white paint, some paper to stamp on, some glue, a marker, and optional 4 paper clips. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take 2 of your toilet paper rolls and you're gonna flatten them. And then this will make it so they're more of an oval shape instead of a circle shape. So you're gonna take some glue. If you have a hot glue stick at home, you could use that, but I'm just using a normal glue stick. So you're going to put a little bit of glue on them and you're going to squeeze them together. Just like that. And that creates the ears for the bunny. To attach the face of the bunny, you're going to take the bottom where you connected the ears and add some glue on there as well. Then you're going to take the toilet paper roll that you didn't squish and stick it right on there. And then you're going to want to make sure that your toilet paper rolls are all even on one side so that when you go to stamp, that you're going to get the full image on there. So optionally, while these are drying, I just stuck a couple paper clips just to make sure it's held together. So one on the ears there, and then I flipped it around and I did the same thing on this side. And you will have to let this dry for a little bit before you use it. So you're going to let it sit like that. Now, of course, I've already made one that is dry over here, and I have a little dish that I put some white paint in. So once your stamp is dry, you can choose a piece of paper and start stamping. And you might have to wiggle the stamp around a little bit to make sure you get the full image. And always have a little bit of paper towel or Kleenex to wipe up any little mistakes. And then once you have your stamps done, you can go ahead and draw some faces on your rabbits, or you can make a card with this or any other type of picture that you want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw some little eyes, a nose, and some whiskers on all these guys. There you go. And then you have your stamped bunny craft as well. Thanks for joining me today. As always, if you make one of these crafts at home, please tag us in your photos, share them on Facebook and Instagram with us. We would all love to see them. Have a great day. Bye.